Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to change a number plate light on a Porsche Macan. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, from removing the old light unit to installing the new bulb. Just follow along, and it'll only take you a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.